Hello everyone, take a bowl of a cream and put the chocolate sprinkles on it and then spread it and mix it like this properly. Now draw the lines on the sides of the cake and then spread it using the spatula. After spreading it equally, we will draw the lines on the top of the cake like this. Draw the lines from the sides as shown in the video in the half cake. Now make the balls like this and then draw the lines as shown in the video. Draw the eyes using brown color cream. Draw its mouth like this. Put a strawberry and it's ready. Next, take a cake and then spread the cream using a spatula. Now on the top, we will draw the lines on the sides like this. Draw the roses using white color cream. Fill half of the cake like this in the same manner. Put the orange peel on the top and then make its eyes, nose and the mouth, and your cake is almost ready. Next, take a cake and draw the yellow color lines on the top of it in the same manner as shown in the video and the purple on the sides. Now spread it equally using the knife or a spatula. Now cut it from the side of the cake like this and take a tray and stand the cake like this. Now on the front of it, spread the green color cream. Now draw the blue dots on the sides of the cake. Now put some pink color flowers like this. Decorate it using different color creams and it's ready. Next, take a cake and then take a cone. Now fill it using blue and white color cream like this. Now we will put the lines on the top of the cake. Draw the lines like this and then on the sides put some cakes and muffins like this. Draw its eyes and nose and your cake is ready. I hope you liked it. You can decorate it further by putting some colorful balls on the top and it will be ready. Next, take a green color cake and draw the lines on it like this. After that, we will put the white dots in each block of the cake like this. Draw the lines from the sides. Make the mouth of the bunny. Now make its hand like this. Now color its ears putting pink color cream like this. Make its eyes using brown color cream. Make the eyes of all the bunnies. Put some red color cream on the bottom side of the cake. Decorate it and it's ready. Next, take a white color cake and draw the lines on the sides of the cake like this. Put the lines very carefully as shown in the video. Now put some dots like this and then make the eyes of it. Now make the mouth using brown color cream. We will make the eyes of it. Put some pink dots like this. Decorate it from the top. Draw the designs like this. Make a bow and then your cake will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take a cake and draw the pink color lines on the sides of the cake like this and then on the top as well. Draw the lines very carefully. Now on the sides, we will make the flower like this. Make few more flowers on each side of the cake as we are making. Make some stems and leaves using green color cream like this. Decorate it and it's ready. Next, take a cake and then using pink color cream on the sides we will draw the flowers like this, or you can just simply call it a line. Now fill it in the between, draw some dots on the sides of the cake. Now after drawing the dots using a spatula we will spread it like this. Now using a brown color cream make its eyes and it's ready. Thanks for watching a video.